Cutie. Wow, nice name, Cutie. Nice to meet you, Cutie.
Nice to meet you.
So, where are you from? Where? Where are you from?
Philippines.
Philippines. Oh, okay. I'm from Bangladesh. Your name is Cutie. Okay, I like your cute lips.
Thank you.
Welcome. Can you show me your work? Oh, nice. এটা তো আমাদের এখানে বাচ্চারা খেলে এগুলো দিয়ে। তো okay, what time is it now there? So why you doing fish? Why you don't speak loudly? What happened? Oh, people are sleeping there, right? Okay, so why you didn't sleep?
I don't sleep, so
Oh, okay. Because you wanna meet me, right? You are waiting here to meet me, right? No, wait, please, wait. Don't go. Don't say bye, please.